Okay, what's up guys? In this video, we going to learn about how to register route in Laravel framework. So for example, if I register route home slash, okay, it means slash, it will call or return the page home, okay. If I slash or register about, it means about, it means call the page about. And then if I call or register contact, it will call the page contact. So how in Laravel? So let's start together. Okay. Okay, so now we go to the your project or simple project. If you see on the Laravel framework, you can see the app folder, okay, bootstrap, config, okay, resource, okay, and the final is I want to show you is web.php. It's the page where you register route, okay. So at the first time I want to register home page, okay, register home page route, okay, colon get, and then register home page slash and function, and we will return what? Return view, okay, return view home, okay, home, return view home. So go to the page, okay, go to the page and slash, okay, slash, it will call the home page. So call the home page, okay. This is my page on, you go to resource, okay, resource view and call the home page. This is the home page. So don't care about content on the home page, but you care about how to call home page, okay, home page. So I slash to call the home, okay, and return or call the home, okay, home view home.blades.php. So okay, if I want to register, okay, route, okay, colon get, and then I want to register about, okay, function, okay, return, okay, return about, return view about, okay, view about. So this is about.blade.php. It will call the view to display, okay, display, call about page, okay, call about page, it means return view about, okay. So go to the, you can slash about, okay, so it called the page about to display the browser, okay, the browser. If I click on contact, so it does not show anything, so it's error, because we do not register route contact. So go to the code and then register route colon get, okay, get and contact, okay, register contact, and then function, okay, return, and then return view, okay, return view, okay, contact, we call the contact, okay, call the contact, okay, contact view. So contact, okay, the view is we place on the view folder, okay, view folder, okay. So refresh again. Okay, refresh again. Okay, it works. So call, if you click on home, it go to home. Click on about, go to about. Click on contact, go to contact. Okay. So this is the first way. So the second I want to show you about how to register a route and call the function from the controller. Call the function from controller. It means I have a controller. Okay, controller, page controller. Okay, page controller create. You can create controller file on the HTTP folders. Okay, the folder, but I'm create already. So how to register route and call the function from controller. Okay, controller. So I command this. Okay, command this. Okay, if I command and I go to the browser, I click on home, it's not work because I command. Okay, I command. So I register route and call from the controller function. Okay, so route. Okay, get home. Okay, slash. Okay, home. Okay, I call from controller, page controller. Okay, page controller add get home. Okay, so I must to create function. Okay, function get home, publish function get home. Okay, get home. Okay, public function get home. Okay, and then I return. Okay, return view home. Okay, call the home view. Okay, if I refresh again. Okay, refresh again. Okay, the home page is registered and enter. It works. Okay, it works. If I click on about, it's don't work because I'm not registered. So we must register. Okay, register. You can copy on this. Okay, copy and paste. Copy and paste. I rename to get about. Okay, get about and get contact. Okay, I rename to about and contact. So okay, I copy on this and paste. Okay, I rename about, register about and register contact and get. Okay, function get about. Okay, get about, this is get about and get contact. Okay, get contact. So refresh page again. Okay, refresh page. Okay, about and contact is okay, it works. So now can use about. It's the same. About it's in this route, it's called direct view, but and this three line is called from controller. Okay, call from controller. So it's the same. Okay, it's the same. So I command this, but call, it means register route home, route about and route contact to call the function from controller. So okay, so this is the basic of how to register route. Okay, register route.